Hi everyone, this is Jim with Bones Dent Repair. Today we have a BMW M550i. This vehicle was driving down the highway when a tire kicked up and hit the door. So let's take a look at this lower body line dent that we're going to repair today. Okay, so let's walk up and assess the damage. Located all the way down here on this lower body line, you can see where the tire had kicked up and hit the door, putting a really deep impact to this aluminum door on this body line. Along with that, you can see the harsh scratches. So some of these scratches are still going to be visible. They did go through the clear coat, but not all the way to the bare metal. We're going to correct them and 3-stage polish the panel, minimizing any leftover damage. But the body line will get reshaped and the panel should look fantastic. Okay, behind me you can see I've completely disassembled this front door. In order to gain proper access, the lower portion of a door is traditionally sealed off. That requires removal of the window, the carrier plate, and all the interior panel and accessories modules built into the vehicle, removal of the wire harness, and this is the difference in the service in which I provide. I'm going to gain the proper access, ensuring the highest quality result. So stay tuned as we work through this damage. Just finished polishing the panel and putting the vehicle back together. Let's walk up and check out our end result.